Hello and welcome everyone. In this video I am going to teach you about how you can change your application app icon and app name. So in this video I am going to teach you a step by step simple step how you can change your application icon in DroidScript. Okay, if you want to watch my video in Hindi, you can access my playlist, Hindi playlist in link below. So now let's get start the video. So first you need to open your DroidScript application. So I just start my screen recording, and you will see here. See, if you want to change any project or any application app icon and application name, you can just click over there, long press over there. Suppose example, I want to change this app icon and this app name. Okay, so I just press long. After that you will get multiple options in pop-up option. So see, here is two option is most important. First one is edit option, second one is rename option. Okay, so if you want to change your application name, you can just click rename option. Okay, so see how see the demo. Click rename, and I want to change my app name like app only. I want to change my app name app. Okay, click OK. After that you will see your app name has been changed successfully. See, okay, and if you want to change your application icon, you can just press long over there and click edit option, and you will get your editor features, and see in the bottom bar you will see the app icon. Click here and click plus icon and select your image from your folder or file, which icon you want to change. I just select this icon. I want to change this icon, so click OK, and see the image icon logo name is 20231010 underscore 003913. So this is a not correct name. So just click long, press long and rename it. So rename makes your suppose your application name is app, so you just put here app only. Okay, your application first starting letter is capital letter, then you need to put capital letter also here. Okay, and you don't change, make sure you don't change img slash. Okay, it is always will be there. Okay, suppose your application name is app my app. So if you also created your application name is my app, in the center a space, you need to put a space also. Okay, so my app name is only app, so just I put app. Okay, and click OK and click back. Okay, so see, if you click back, you will see the app icon is changed successfully. See, so your app icon is changed. So thank you guys, thank you so much for watching this video.